Dear Jasmine, dear Jasmine, dear Jasmine, I wonder if this love is everlasting. I promise not to treat you like your last one.
Hi babes, hi boo boos, hi darlings, hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Let's just jump right into it. Today's hair is from Myfirstwig. I have been working with this brand for a while now. This is probably like my third or fourth wig from this brand. For those of you that watch my tutorials, you see me install these wigs like with glues and do all the extra work, but their wigs are pretty much beginner friendly. Some of them you don't even have to glue. Majority of them you don't have to glue. It's literally just a wear and go wig, and today's wig is one of those. So I'm going to be showing you guys how you can just easily throw this wig on and be out the door. Who doesn't love that? When you first open it, you see the bag in there with some goodies as well. So let's go through this. An elastic band, some clips, and a comb is always branded as well. Inside here I also get a wig cap, a little card in here that just tells you about the brand, some tutorials, how to glue, how to do whatever. So if this is really your first time trying on a wig and you get it from this brand, you're pretty much set because they give you everything you need, including instructions. The quality of the hair is up there. Here's the details about the wig. So the wig I'm installing today is a 13x6 lace front wig, 160% density air lace. The color is interesting. I'm going to show you the color. It's 12 inches. The texture is silky. The name of the wig is there, but don't worry about it. I'm going to leave everything in the description, so just go ahead and check that out. So this is the wig. Lace. It's so hard to find a brand that has really soft lace that you just know it's gonna work. Okay, I'm not gonna be gluing this wig today, but I know if I glue this wig, scalp, just based on the lace alone. It's just hello, I know you see that. No more rambling. This is gonna be a very short tutorial because I am just gonna be throwing this wig on. I don't even know if I need to even tint this lace because it just looks so good already. First I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this pair of scissors to cut the lace. That's it. Look at that. I know you see that. Oh, it also has a band inside that you can adjust. You see, I'm definitely gonna have to tint it with my foundation. Let's do that and throw it on. Obviously I'm gonna hot comb it, straighten it, make it look beautiful. If I put the wig, let me style it because I feel like you're not seeing the vision. You're not seeing the vision. Me and you both are not seeing it, but we'll see it soon. Before we straighten it. That's more like it. Let's straighten it. Oh my god, it's gonna look so nice. Straighten it quickly. This side forward. Brush some little hair here and there, not a lot, just move the hair forward just a bit. We're done. We are so done. Done. What? Hello. Anyway, thank you guys for watching the video. If you are interested in purchasing this wig, just check out my description box. Everything that you need is there, including a link to the wig, a link to Myfirstwig's website. Thank you, Myfirstwig, for sending me this amazing wig. I do not have any cons. That's it, guys. I'm gonna see you on another video. Bye. Love you.